So this is how you're gonna check recent activity on your iPhone. Let's get into it. So you can do this by opening up the settings and then you can scroll until you find the screen time section. It is a good idea to keep it turned on and set up if you haven't already, because otherwise the phone is not gonna track any information, but I assume that it does for you, and if it does, you can tap on see all app and website activity. And in here, you can choose the day or week view. And this is going to show you like a nice graph and visual representation. And you can scroll down and see which apps have been used the most and which websites you have accessed and a bunch of really cool information. So that is just for today. But if you swipe down, this panel shows up from the top where you can jump back and forth between the dates, so you can go and yesterday check it out in there, then Thursday, and so on until you are happy with the result. And the same thing with the weeks. You can jump back and forth through the weeks and see which apps have been open and for how long. Besides this, you can also check out the significant locations of this iPhone. So you can go ahead and open up the main settings page, then inside of privacy and security, you have the location services. And entirely at the bottom, we have the system services. And when you click inside, you have like many different things which can be tweaked. But one option is significant locations, which assuming it is turned on, you can see the records and you can see the recent places where the phone has been located. So it might be useful to just check it out in here. And yeah, this is like the significant location for this phone. Yeah, that's how it works. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna catch you in the next tutorial.